So NVIDIA has been an amazing stock this year, no doubt. But with the market chopping out a little bit recently and earnings coming up in about a month, let's take a look at the charts to see where we can head from here. Now we are up 220% year to date and a staggering 315% from the October low. Now NVIDIA had an excellent Q2 earnings report, but it wasn't enough to keep the momentum going, and the stock has been chopping around for the last few weeks. Despite the recent action, we haven't broken trend, and the median price target of 630 is well above the current price, with some targets as high as 1100. Now, taking a closer look at the current price action, I never like to see these head and shoulders tops form in uptrends. It doesn't mean that the stock is going to crash, but it's something that we have to pay attention to. Now, if we draw a few lines, we are forming a pennant pattern, which basically means indecision, and it feels like we could trade down to this 420 level. Up until this point, NVIDIA was making a series of higher highs, but there may be a change in market structure as it appears we are forming lower highs and could be setting up to enter a downtrend. Now, of course, this could be a one-day event and we could move higher going into earnings, but we'll just have to see how that plays out. The level that I'm paying close attention to is 400, because if we break that, then a corrective downtrend will be confirmed with a lower low, and the next support is the earnings breakout at 367 and the 200-day moving average at around 340. Now, one thing that I find very encouraging is that the 200-day moving average has caught up to the 2021 previous all-time high at 340, both which are very important levels on the chart. Taking a look at the RSI, you can see a bearish divergence where as the market was making new highs, the RSI was making lower highs, showing that there is less bullish strength going into each move. Now, when NVIDIA bounced from 410 most recently, I would have preferred to see a higher low in the RSI, definitely not a lower low. Earnings are in a month and expectations are high, but the big question is, how much of a pull forward was there? Now, there's no doubt that NVIDIA is killing it, but if they pulled too much demand forward and earnings come in a bit soft, we could be in for a correction. Now, if we extend the lines of the pennant, it's possible that we could remain in this range until earnings when we get the breakout or breakdown. I'm very bullish on NVIDIA and currently own shares, but given how elevated we are on the chart, rising interest rates, the geopolitical situation, inflation remaining sticky, the list goes on and on, I'm going to wait to add to my position. I'm going to be looking to pick up some shares around 400 for starters and hopefully at the 200 if we get there. Now, I don't see anything in the chart that is telling me to buy right now, and there's no need to be a hero in this market. Wait for your prices and let the market come to you.